Hi, my name is Winnie Pantangco and I'm a mom of 2 girls aged 11 and 7. With this COVID-19 pandemic upon us and no treatment or vaccine in sight for the near future, our kids' schooling has become a topic of serious discussion here in our family. The good thing about it is that's it. We're having a think about our kids' schooling. It's something that we haven't really done since we enrolled them in big school a few years back. It's made us reevaluate what's important to us. Is it their health alone? Is it their grades? Is it the school choice? Is it our time? As we prepare for the new school year and face this so-called new normal for our kids, I think as parents we would appreciate the support and assistance of our selected partner school. And this can come in terms of trial classes this early so that we get a feel of how it's going to work out for both the students and for us as parents or learning guides. And also consideration for our additional expenses. And in the same breath, we will provide the same for the school and trust that they are giving us the best option given that they know our daughters. They know how it's going to be for us as parents as well, given the environment these days. Constant communication and honesty, both from the parents and especially from the school, on how individually and collectively we can work together with them to reach the goals that we have for our daughters. That would really help us in getting through these challenging times. I wanted to share what my elder daughter had written in their Mother's Day card to me this year. She had said, "Please help me to do well in grade 6 if there is." And I was really struck by this because, this is an opportunity for us parents to show them how life hands us lemons, and then we just really try to work with it, try to make the best of it. And this is a lesson in grit and resilience that no seminar or workshop can ever teach. And in a way, it's good that as parents, we're here for them. We can do this with them and we can help them. And they can help us and we may even learn a thing or two. Definitely, the situation is not ideal, more so for some than for others. But as parents, I think we're all in agreement that we want the best for our kids. And we're all going to get through this. And hopefully everybody finds that new balance, that new equilibrium that will allow us to grow our kids and raise our kids the best way possible. Thank you.